Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video I have an interesting web camera which actually is quite popular on the market. So we'll see what comes in the box, we'll do a couple of tests, we'll compare it with another camera that I have that I reviewed in my channel. And in the end I'm gonna give you my opinion as always. So with that being said, let's start with the video now. Okay, so it's time for the unboxing, so let's see what comes in the box. The company is called EMEET, and I'll compare the camera to my previous camera that I did a few days ago, Campark PC1, so we'll see if this camera is much better. So we'll see now. Let's see what comes in the box. So the first thing is going to be the user manual. Also we have a warranty card, and that's all pretty much. Okay, so let's see some of the specifications of the camera. The model of the camera is C960, so this is some of the specs as you can see. So we have a full HD, 30 frames per second, 90 degrees, 2 microphones, and the focus range. Quite interesting in my opinion about the specs. Okay, so now it's time to plug the camera in and let's see how is the video quality. That's why you're here. So let's start with the first test. So as you can see, this is me. So I'm gonna do a couple of moves just to have idea how is the video quality. Also, actually I do like the colors, quite natural in my opinion. And now I'm gonna do something else. Actually behind me I have some lights, as you can see, LED lights. Now the same video but with the lights on. As you can see, there's a little bit of difference of the video. So with the lights I think the video looks much better in my opinion. So far I do like the video quality. The next test will be so as you can see, on the left side I have the camera, on the right side I have the camera from my MacBook Pro. So as you can see the difference, I do like the camera on the left because the colors are more natural, as you can see. Also we have a 90 degrees point of view, so definitely I do like the video quality on the left. The next test will be with my previous camera that I did a few days ago, a Campark PC1. As you can see, the colors not very good in my opinion, quite saturated, and they washed out, and 120 degrees is not good in my opinion. So again, let's look back at the camera. As you can see, this is much better in my opinion, more natural, and the colors look much better, and there's no any disturbs. As you can see, 90 degrees is much better in my opinion. I'm impressed so far. With a little bit tricking, I think the video quality is gonna be perfect. If you're wondering how is the sound from this camera, this is a test. Now you're hearing the two microphones. So we have two microphones, omnidirectional microphones. So I think the sound is gonna be okay, clear, crisp. For Zoom calls, for Skype, I think it's gonna be okay. So yeah, this is the sound from the camera. This is a test. You can have idea how is the sound when I talk. This is ideal for Zoom, for Skype, for Facebook, and so on. But I think if you want a proper microphone, you need to invest and look for something else. But for the meantime, for meetings, I think it's gonna be okay. Alright, so let's talk about now about the camera. So what I'm thinking, what is my verdict. So as always in the end I give you my opinion about this camera. Disclaimer, the company contacted me and they sent me the camera for review. So this is not a sponsored video, but I'm gonna give you my opinion now. So first, let's talk about the color profile, my opinion. So I like it. So it's quite natural colors in my opinion. My face looks, the tone of the skin looks pretty natural, which I like that. As you can see on the video with the PC1 Campark, the colors are quite saturated, which in my opinion is not good. I feel like I wear like a makeup, or I add like a beauty mode, but the colors on the EMEET C960 looks pretty good in my opinion, quite natural. Also, I do like the microphone. The microphone sounds pretty clear and crisp in my opinion, and I like it. So far, I like the camera. Let me know what do you think in the comments down below. Do you think this is gonna be your next camera for your Zoom calls, for Facebook, for Skype, and so on? But yeah, I think the camera is good for the price. The price in UK is about 35, 39 British pounds. In the States, it's about 35 USA dollars. But I'm going to leave all the links in the descriptions down below, so if you want to check for yourself. But other than that, I think the camera is good. So let me know what do you think in the comments down below. Do you think the camera is okay for you? As always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.